You ain't looking at the camera.
So I got these new mini brands, and my mom said she can't take me to ballet practice because she said my brother was sick. So my mom called me. So my mom called my Mimi, and we finally go to Target, and we finally find these new mini brands, and we grabbed them. So, and we have them now because they're so cool and we could have them. So what should I do? So I got these new mini brands, and my mom didn't
So let's open it, Ari. It's gonna be so exciting. Are you excited to see what's inside?
Yeah.
You want to do the whole video over? Okay. It's her first video, you guys, and she got a little bit overwhelmed. And I told her she can just be herself. Just be yourself and talk how you want to talk and get it done. No fussy little Hello Kitty. I can't wait to see what's inside. So the story was, today's Saturday, and she missed ballet practice because her little baby brother, who's 5 months, is sick. So I'm Mimi. Her mom called me, her Mimi, to come pick her up and take her to Target. And we didn't know what she was talking about because she's seen these on YouTube. So while we were in the store, I went down every aisle and told her to look because I didn't know what she was talking about. And I just told her to look until she found what she was looking for. And we finally found them. We found 2 different kinds. And it has 5 surprises inside. They're called mini brands. And this is series 3. What series was this? It has over 100 plus minis. We also saw like this whole house of a store like that had a lot of minis, and that was $30. Then we saw the circle minis, and that was $10. So we got these, and they were $6.99 a piece. So we just bought the 2 colors that we saw, and we saw something else that was ball like, and it was pink, but it wasn't mini brands, so we didn't get that one. So we got these 2, and now we're so excited because now we can see what's inside. I think she may need some assistance. It had another piece of film on it. So, you see something at the bottom? Yeah, take that off too. I cannot wait. I can't wait. What's inside? What's inside? Oh my gosh, what are all those compartments? How many compartments does it have? 1, 2, 3. It has 4 compartments. And that's, 5. Girl, is that 5? Girl, how many compartments on this thing?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, and gosh. Ooh, what's in there? A rainbow hair bow. Oh, and gosh, turn it around so we can see. Oh, let's read what it says. It says, bow. JoJo. Is that JoJo Siwa?
Yeah.
That is JoJo Siwa. Hair bow. How cute. What's next? What's next? What's next? Oh, and gosh. What's next? What's next? Oh, and gosh, what is next? What is that?
Oh, it's a car.
Oh, and gosh. Oh, and gosh. Oh, and gosh.
It's a car for you to shop.
Oh, it's a shopping cart.
Yeah.
Wait, are we going to put it together now before we open up another one? We're just going to... Okay, so now this is just a shopping cart. What else? What else do we got? We have a hair bow from JoJo Siwa. We have a blue shopping cart. And now we have some slime. Is slime in there? Or is that just the box? Oh, gosh.
Whoa,
Oh, you open up another one?
Look at this.
Wait, did these come in the same thing? No, so you open up another contraption? Is that Ren from Stimpy? Oh, is that Ren from Ren and Stimpy?
Whoa,
Oh, how
a race
cute.
car.
Oh, gosh, is something inside the box as well? Yes, something is inside this box. What is this? This is a ready-to-roll Blaze Speedway. Oh, gosh, put that over here. Let's see. Oh, gosh. So you open up all 5 compartments. And these are the surprises you got. You got a shopping cart that you have to assemble. You have JoJo Siwa hair bow. You've got Ren from Ren and Stimpy. You have a ready-to-roll blue Speedway. Something's inside. You may have to open that, Ma. Open that and see what it is inside. And then you have this pamphlet that shows you all the many things that you can buy. I don't think you were supposed to tear the box up, Ma.
I don't think it's nothing in this one. But we can open this one.
Oh, there's really nothing in here. It's just trash. Don't tear it up. You're not supposed to tear it up. Don't open that one. That's okay. You ain't got to open that one. See what's in the roll. See what's in this box.
Okay.
Try not to tear the box up because you're going to need this for when you buy future toys. You're going to need to play with this. And this is going to be your shopping cart for when you do buy that $30 house play set. And you're going to be rolling down the aisles to get other stuff.
I don't know how to.
You got to talk.
Okay.
Let's see what's inside of there. The silver one. I think this turns back into a ball and you can keep it forever.
Yeah. Well, that noise was crazy.
What's inside? Well, let's see it from this one. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 compartments.
Whoa.
What is it? What is it? Is it real food, girl?
Yeah, it looks like.
Oh, gosh, it's deli meat. Deli fresh, oven roasted chicken.
What the?
Sandwich meat. What, girl, you got a bottle of hot sauce? Oh, gosh.
It's outside.
I don't know how to say that. Tapato?
It's like the bottle.
Patio? Hot sauce. Oh, gosh. So the silver one houses food.
What is
And there's
this?
the little pamphlet, like this pamphlet.
Whoa.
Oh, gosh, what is that? What is that? Some more food? What does that say? Spinach and artichoke Fridays?
Yeah, but
Oh,
nothing's in
gosh, I know.
Whoa.
Yeah, Mom, you're going to have to keep all these. And some
Yeah.
dum-dum lollipops? Oh, gosh.
Yeah. What is this?
Cutie pies, that's for Valentine's Day. Oh, gosh. So we paid $7 for this stuff.
We could build our cart and put these in now.
Well, let's build the cart.
Okay.
Go right on ahead.
How do we build it? Because that's hard to build. I'm doing it. Do you know how to build it?
I'm going to do it for you.
Okay.
You guys should have, like, if we find a collection, like a collection of 6, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a collection of 12 things that we should win a prize.
Yeah.
I think that should happen.
Yeah, I think.
Anywho, let's try and build this cart.
Yeah, this is a beauty cart. Build.
Okay. You put it on Mimi and Mimi will do it. So I know that these two go like this. And so this one must go right here. You see me doing it?
Yeah.
So that must go like that. And this goes here.
And if you break it, you could just rebuild it.
Mm-hmm. Might be upside down.
Might be.
Mommy, you should be talking. So the people don't want to hear silence.
Okay.
How was your day?
Good.
If your day was good, then why was I called to come get you to take you to go get this stuff?
Because my mom didn't. Because
you forgot to tell them your mommy gave you $10. She didn't know how much this stuff cost. But Mimi was going to get every color anyway.
Yeah, because there was a purple one, but you didn't get
I didn't see no purple one.
Yeah, but I saw it.
Why you didn't tell me?
Because I didn't mean to know that I can't, because I didn't know it was right up there.
You should have told me. Maybe next time we will get it.
Yeah, maybe next time.
Maybe next time we will get it. Because I did enjoy that Target that we went to.
Yeah.
It was fun.
Yeah, we only have 2 mini prizes. Now we need one more. And that was the purple one.
Oh, wow. I'm sad we missed that.
Yeah.
And what else you see at the store?
I saw my mom said I could have Play-Doh because it wasn't sticky, and she told me that I could have sand.
Oh, the sand's not that sticky, huh?
Yeah, only the slime is sticky. It could go in your carpet, and it's really sticky. Only Play-Doh's not, and the Play-Doh and the sand's not that sticky because my mom told me I did.
So now your shopping cart is complete. Are you happy? Are you happy?
Yeah.
So all in all, each mini brand was $6.99. I think that's a little bit too much for this to be $7. You have 5 compartments, and it's like you paid $1.35, $1.15 or so per compartment for this 2-cent stuff. Many brands. Who's these people? Y'all get these kids all excited for this. So I'm gonna need a coupon. I'm gonna need a coupon so I can buy the $30 whole set. I'm gonna need $10 off that. Cause wow. $7. You know what I could have bought was, let me stop. Did you have fun, Mommy?
Yeah.
You like your little surprises?
Yeah.
Tell the people bye.
Bye.
Yubi-dubi.
Bye, Yubi-dubi. Wait.
It's not real candy in there, Mommy.
Yeah.
It's not real.
Yeah, I know.
It should have been. That's the price we just paid for this.
Yeah. It's better.
How come my mouth not hot?
How come my mouth is hot?
Girl, I'm gonna take another one.
I'm gonna take another one because that's spicy. You took two.
Girl. How's it working for you? Is it an explosion of chili peppers? YouTube wants to know. I know this juice is, hold up, girl. That juice is super good.
Yeah, I just tasted it.
Strawberry kiwi lemonade by Turkey Hill at Dollar Tree. That's good. How's the Takis? Hot, making your nose run. That's how hot it is. Ain't hot to me. I like it.
And hot for me too. They got like 4 of them. They got like 4 Takis.
Yeah, I could tolerate them. How about we put some extra hot sauce on it?
That's a toy hot sauce. Sure. Let me do it.
Is it good? Are you putting the fake hot sauce on it?
Yeah.
Well, let us see you eat another one.
Okay.
Is it hot, hot, hot?
That's good to me.
Say bye to the people.
Bye.